Ang pagsakay ng ilang di kilalang suspect sa gera kontra droga, isa sa mga natanong sa Pangulo sa one-on-one interview sa kanya ni Jessica Soho.
May mga nagpasko na walang ama, walang ina,
Correct.
walang kapatid,
Correct.
lolo, lola, tiyuhin. At sinasabi nila, hindi nila tinatanggi ho na user yung kanilang mga mahal sa buhay. Pero hindi naman daw ho nanlaban, hindi drug pusher, pero pinatay pa rin, even yung mga sumurrender. May gusto ho ba kayong sabihin sa kanila?
Yes, very much. I said it's not state-sponsored. Early on sa presidency ko, I never said I ordered the police or the military, which is taken in at the time, na where you wage a punitive police action. I never said that. I said, I'm declaring war. So war is war. I need not go war against any... Bakit ako maghintay? At maubos na, it's 4 million. It's not a joke.
Paano naman ho, Mr. President, yung mga collateral damage lang? Yung mga tinamaan ng stray bullet, yung mga pinag-initan lang, sinabay na, sinakyan na itong war on drugs nyo.
I will never allow anything that is personal. Sinabi ko talaga sa kanila yan. You can ask any policeman dito sa Maynila nga, go down and may sinabi ba ako na patayin mo yan? Always there are collateral damage because you cannot control the trajectory of bullets. A policeman has every right to shoot if he is in danger of losing his life. And he cannot control at tumagis yung bala sa tao ng isang tao pa, bata man. Well, I'm sorry.